playing the Hunger Games on Gaia. And 10, 9. I'm gonna talk about some things today. Yeah, okay. So, okay, got that, got that. Got that, got that. Okay. Run, run, run. Run. Okay. So today, I'm going to talk about factions. I kind of like quit factions, not going there. I kind of quit factions because my base, my faction would always get targeted for some strange reason. Oh, we were like the biggest faction out there, but I guess it was a mistake adding that many people. So I'm like quitting factions. I'll probably join someone else's and record that. Oh, I am screwed. I am screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Don't have a weapon yet. Not good. So, and my parents have also been being very annoying about my grades. Yeah. I still don't have a weapon. That's pretty bad. Holy crap, how am I still alive? Okay, got a weapon. It's pretty bad, but I got a weapon. Okay. So, yeah, so I haven't been able to go on the computer much lately. Oh, there's a rampage here, like rampage mode activated. And 3, 2, 1, die. Oh wait, are they teamed? Don't. Are they teamed? They are teamed. I'll take them on. Nah, I only have a wood axe. I'll come back for them later. They're pretty scared. They have it's a 2v1 and they're scared. Come on. Okay, I thought that was a player. For some reason, I always get really antsy when I play the Hunger Games. My like heartbeat goes faster. For some reason. Okay, there's a pressure plate there. Whoa, 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 what's that? Okay, that's a death trap. Oh, person right here. Let's kill him. I only have 5 hearts, but he doesn't know that. Oh, killed him. Whew, that was close. Not really. Well, 2 hearts, I guess that is close. Good, got some decent gear. Oh, he's mutating. Are you serious? And why am I not regenning health? Why am I not regenning health? Why am I not regenning health? Do I have like a debuff? What? Why am I not regenning health? That is strange. I'm probably gonna die here. Is there something? Yeah, that was unfair. Unfair. I did not regenerate for some reason. Well, I hope you enjoyed. That was pretty... Why did that happen? That was weird. Well, thanks for watching. Goodbye.